We get the floor watertight today at the House Edition. Welcome back to the House Edition. Today I'm going to do some things to get ready for the weather. So I'm going to try to get a tarp up here. It just recently rained on the deck. So I'm going to try to broom this off, and just to get the water shed off of it and try to let it dry out. And then I'm going to start prepping to put a tarp against the house over to the side so the water sheds off, so this all stays dry. So let's go ahead and get started. I hate to do it, but I think I'm just going to have to trim that tarp off and tack it just where it is. Okay, so that's mainly what I was looking to do today. Get the tarp installed, just to have that security against the rain. It's supposed to be some pretty serious rain tomorrow. In the next clip, we'll probably be getting into a little bit more cleanup work. We have to do some hangers and some other odds and ends before we just jump right into the walls. So I'll see you in a couple days after my trip to Wisconsin, and we'll get back to work on the House Edition. I'll see you then.